Good afternoon, dear children. Today we are going to study about Indus Valley civilizations, occupations. What was their income and how did they uh, find out their livelihood? So we are going to study about occupations of Indus Valley civilization. Now, what were the main occupations of Indus Valley civilization? One by one we can see. First one was farming, and we will be discussing one by one later in this video. Now listen very carefully. You have to learn the names first. Farming, then pot making, then toy making, then spinning and weaving, metal casting, building industry, and the main important thing is seal making. So these were the main occupations of Indus Valley civilization. Now we are going to study more about each one. First one, we are going to study about farming. How was their farming? As all other ancient civilization, Harappan civilization also had farming as their chief occupation. And they have also domesticated animals. And here, how was their farming? We can see the main features or what all important things you have to learn under the heading farming of Indus Valley civilization. First, they grew wheat, barley, gram, peas, maize and millets. So they have cultivated so many cereals, so many grains like wheat, barley, gram, peas, maize, millets, etc. And they were the first to grow cotton in India. You have to remember one thing, they were the first to grow cotton in India. In other civilizations also we have learned some other civilizations who were the first in trade, who were the first in growing wheat, etc. So here the Indus Valley civilization, the Indus Valley people were the first to grow cotton in India, and they used plows and sickles for their better cultivation, so for their improvement of agriculture, and they had different means of irrigation. In the Egyptian civilization, when we learned in the Egyptian civilization, they had made canals, they had made dikes, etc. Like that, these Indus Valley people also had a different means of irrigation, and they domesticated animals that I have already told you. They have domesticated animals like oxen, buffaloes, cow, sheep, pigs, donkeys, camels, etc. So these were the main points about farming in Indus Valley civilization. So all other ancient civilizations, like all other ancient civilization, Harappan civilization also had farming as their chief occupation. You have to remember that. And they grew wheat, barley, gram, peas, maize and millets. And they were the first to grow cotton in India, and they had used plows and sickles for the better cultivation of their crops, and they had different means of irrigation to improve their agriculture. They had domesticated animals like oxen, buffaloes, cow, sheep, pigs, donkeys, camels, etc. Now next, we are going to study about pottery making or pot making. So the Harappan people were also skilled in using potter's wheels, and pots were how made with fine clays. And how did they have made the pots we can see. They used potter's wheel that I have already told you. The invention of wheel made a lot of difference in the early man's life that we have already learned, and potter's wheel was also important. With the use of that, means the Indus Valley people know that how to use potter's wheel, and with the help of the potter's wheel they made pots, and they made pots with clay, and after making pots with clay they baked the pots. It means they put the made pots, that means the raw pots, into the fire, and they baked it. Now when they baked the pots, why did they bake the pots? When the pots baked, then it became stronger. That's why they have baked the pots. and after baking it they decorated, and they have also the glazing, a type of glazing got over the pots. And they have used toy making. They had another occupation, toy making and sculpture. Now listen, they had made terracotta toys. Terracotta means burnt clay. They made not only toys but also figures of animals, statuettes, etc. And number of playthings also they have made, the miniature cards, dice, marbles, etc. And that means a large number of playthings like toy bullock and a bearded shawl-clad man was an example of their toy making. You can see some pictures here. How did they have made the toys? I hope you understood this much. Now we are going to learn another occupation of Indus Valley civilization, that is spinning and weaving. What is spinning and weaving, or how did they practice spinning and weaving? They had clay spindles. Spindles means on which they spin or on which they weave. And this shawl-clad man we have already discussed when we learned the toy making and sculpture making. And the shawl of that person, that bearded shawl-clad man, shows the skill of their spinning or weaving. And I have already told you. And they had a spindle for spinning, and a piece of woven cloth has unearthed from Mohenjo-daro, and clay spindles which was used to spin clothes also found from Harappan sites. So statue of a shawl-clad man that I have already told you also is an evidence for their weaving skills. Now we are going to study about metal casting. That is another important occupation of Indus Valley civilization. Now what is metal casting? Metal casting means process in which a metal is poured into another material in the liquid form in order to make a new product. That is called metal casting. So here bronze casting means covering melted bronze onto any other product that will be in a hot form. So how we have understood that they had metal casting? Let us see. They produced tools and weapons of copper and bronze tools by using this metal casting. And bronze statuette of the dancing girl is an example of their mastery in is an example of showing their mastery in bronze casting. So you have to understand what is bronze casting and how did they have used. Now you can see some pictures. How did they have melted metal and they have used as metal casting. These all are some metal casted materials. This is the dancing girl, bronze statuette of dancing girl. So I hope you understood this much. Now we are going to study about building industry. This was also an important occupation of Indus Valley civilization. The building industry provided employment to large number of people, and another important occupation was brick making. Now, so how did we have understood that they had brick making as an occupation? Because the kilns for baking bricks found, that means where the bricks bake. And you have to remember one thing, this many kilns, large ovens, that is the correct meaning of kilns, where the large ovens where the bricks baked. So these kilns, the remains of kilns, that means the large ovens, have been found in the Harappan sites. From that we have understood that they had used bricks. So they had an occupation of making bricks. And you have to remember one thing, these all bricks were more or less same size. So this much about the occupations of Indus Valley Civilization people or Indus people. Thank you children and have a nice day.